Alright, looky what I've got here. I've got something to unbox. This, it's upside down, is the Insta360 Go. Let's unbox it. Unbox it one-handed because I'm holding a camera in the other hand.
That and I'm a ninja.
Yeah. Insta360 Go. Small, smart, smooth. Now, I got a newsletter from Insta360 not too long ago, and it had a thumb. And it said something like, underneath this thumb is their new camera, and this is it, probably. I guess it does fit under the thumb. I don't have a knife. I didn't bring my chopper out. That's not a euphemism for anything. Mine is not detachable. Oh, okay. Here it is. Just products these days. All products end up looking a bit appley. This looks like something you'd put your AirPods in. Kind of small. Oh, that's nice. I like that feeling. Oh, I know where I get that feeling from. It's from oh shit. I know that feeling. I know where I get that feeling from. It's from when I chuck the fridge magnets on the fridge and it just sticks. It's like that. Welcome to 10 minutes of taking a sticker off. It's got a little butt plug there. Although it kind of works opposite to a butt plug. That it's more like a fleshlight. It really is quite small. Of course they can't do the whole designed in, made in China, because it would be designed in China, made in China. Does it fit under thumb? Well, kind of. Yes, and that's all I want to find out. Thanks for watching, see you again, subscribe, bye-bye. Anyway, I don't think that's the whole point of this camera anyway. No, so what is the point of this camera? Well, to find out, I went somewhere else to find out.
We will be developed.
It's like a mini underground train, overground underground train. We're living in the future, self-driven. It's amazing. Bloody slow though. I thought it would be smoother than this. It's a little bit of a bumpy ride. Oh yes, from one pod to another pod. Let me take these out first. I can find it. It's that small. It's that small, I can't find it. Oop, I pressed something. It's vibrating. Switch off. No, here it is. The Insta360 Go! Yes, it really is that small, but you've probably seen loads of YouTube videos about it already, so you know all about it, but I'm going to talk about it anyway, so tough titties, alright? It's got quite a small, smooth body. I mean, if you accidentally sit on this without any pants on, it might accidentally go, if you know what I mean. Anyway, dock. Docking. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh dear. It's almost too smooth. But what exactly is this camera all about? I've seen this classified as an action camera. The world's smallest, lightest, clippable action camera. How exactly is it clippable? Well, you've got accessories here. Let me get the accessories out. That's like a little egg chair for the Insta360 Go! Magnetic. Oh, that's got a tripod mount. Here we are. This is where the clippable part comes into play. See, that's the clip. So you can clip it on your clothes. Check this out. Get out of my head first. I mean, how cool do I look? Just stick my camera to my pendant. I look like a proper gangster now. I'm like the coolest cat in town. You know, they say cameras are a tool, but with this on, you become the tool. You will look like a tool. Trust me. It is small, it is clippable, it is wearable, but does anybody really need a small clippable wearable camera? I bet you expect me to say something though, won't you? Let's face it, you're in danger of looking like a Class A tit when wearing one of these things. See? Tit! Do you want to look like any of these following people? Case closed. I've got it clipped on my shirt here, which in my mind makes the most sense with this product, because that way it's unobtrusive, it's out of the way, you don't even have to think about it being a camera, it's just on your shirt. It's almost like it's a button. Yeah? A button that shoots 15 seconds of 1080p video every time you press it. Now, it's got a button on the back which you press to start the video recording. I was a bit confused at first because when you put this on the clip, the button is covered. I thought, okay, so you have to take this off. You have to take the camera off before pressing the button, before you put it on the clip. Then you put the clip onto your shirt before you start the 15 seconds video, but it's already started. No, you just press it like this. I wonder what the interest rates are like over there. In terms of functionality, it's nice and simple. It just works, a bit like the stabilization, which is super smooth, I must add. Oh, that's why they put smooth on the box. Stabilization. Smooth, isn't it? Something quite like having the convenience of just pressing the button, just pressing it once, and the video starts. You don't even have to end it, it just ends by itself. On a trip like that, I get the point of this. It's good for lifestyle stuff. You don't have to think about getting your camera out of your bag, switching it on, hitting record, stopping recording, and then putting it back in your bag. So I've come out to the zoo in Copenhagen with the Insta 360. Zoo, perfect place to see animals in a natural habitat, in a cage. Oh, it's so amazing. Look, they almost move a bit like us. It's so easy to start recording. It's on standby all the time, as long as it's got power. So anytime you want to start recording, like any spur of the moment things that happen, like my son's suddenly deciding he wants to join in on a race. I'm going to sound really soppy here, but these are the moments that I treasure. And if I'd used a proper camera, sorry, that sounds really bad, an action camera or even a phone, probably wouldn't have got a shot. On the flip side of that, it's all too easy to start recording. I had a ton of clips of me just looking at the camera, realizing that I've hit record somehow. It takes the lightest of touches to start recording and it vibrates once when it starts recording. Sometimes you don't feel that though when you're walking about getting on with your life, and the only indicator that it's filming is under the lens. So when you've got it here, clipped to your chest, you can't see it. Unless you look down like that, then you're in the shot. It does your hyperlapse and slow motion up to 100 frames per second, and oh, is he tweaking his nipple before jumping in the pool? Kinky bugger. And because it's tiny, you can put it in places where you wouldn't think of putting other cameras. Just remember not to sit on it naked, remember? So who exactly is this Insta360 Go for? Families? Couples? Yeah, come on, follow me. Yeah, like that's never been done before. Stop trying to run away from me while I'm holding your hand. You're going to make me look like a sex pervert. Single people who want to show both their hands in the shot. Instagrammer, perverts. But joking aside, this is a neat concept. It's not new. There have been clippable cameras in the past, but it's all about the Insta360 execution. It's about the stabilization. The app is where a significant portion of the fun happens. The app can edit together a short video for you by picking out what it thinks are the best clips and adding some fancy transitions too. One thing I don't like about the design of this is that it's incredibly slippery. I mean, I don't think you really need an action camera, whatever you call this, to be incredibly slippery, right? I mean, you have to pull it out of the accessories all the time, and it's smooth all round, there's no grip. That really is quite small. Shit. So hopefully, it falls off your necklace. Bollocks. You're bound to drop it, trust me. And the thing is, the lens here sticks out, so that is going to get bust up, surely. Now the biggest issue is, it shoots 1080. Now, I'm no snob against HD, but this doesn't look like HD footage. The stabilization might be good, but the video doesn't have that high-def HD look. And that was in daytime. In low light, of course it gets worse. It's a nice idea, it's a good try, it's better than I thought it would be. I just wish they'd made it grippier and made it shoot better quality video. Maybe I'm missing the point, lots of other reviews like it. It's footage meant for Instagram and social media for happy-go-lucky peeps, so maybe the quality isn't that important. Okay, can you stop fucking tangering all over the place, you fucking cunt? It's not for miserable bastards like myself, but with smartphones capable of shooting nice 4K video and action cameras having smooth stabilization with a better image, this Go relies mostly on its small wearable form factor as an attraction, and that isn't enough. And what's more, you'll look a right tit too. Oh.